want to read to you something I found very interesting in The Powers of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. I'm reading out of chapter 6, Practical Techniques in Mental Healings, the thank you technique. In the Bible, Paul recommends that we make known our requests with praise and thanksgiving. Some extraordinary results follow this simple method of prayer. The thankful heart is always close to the creative forces of the universe, causing countless blessings to flow toward it by the law of reciprocal relationship based on a cosmic law of action and reaction. Recently, a young mother told me of her experience with this technique. She said, "I was out of work and broke, with 3 small children to feed and clothe. I didn't know where to turn. Then I heard you explain that we should be thankful even before our prayers are answered. It was as if a light had gone on in my mind. I knew I had to try it. Every night and morning for about 3 weeks, this woman repeated the words, 'Thank you, Father, for my wealth.' She did this in a relaxed, peaceful manner and continued until the feeling or mood of thankfulness dominated her mind. She imagined she was addressing the infinite power and intelligence within, though she knew, of course, that she could not literally see the creative intelligence or infinite mind. She was seeing with the inner eye of spiritual perception, realizing that her thought image of wealth was the first cause, relative to the money, position, and food she needed. Her thought feeling was the substance of wealth, untrammeled by antecedent conditions of any kind. By repeating, 'Thank you, Father,' over and over, the woman's mind and heart were lifted up to the point of acceptance. When thoughts of lack, poverty, and distress came into her mind, she would say again, 'Thank you, Father,' as often as necessary. She knew that as she kept up the thankful attitude, she would recondition her mind to the idea of wealth. This is exactly what happened. This mother's prayer had an interesting sequel. Shortly after she began to pray in the way just described, she met a former employer on the street whom she had not seen in 5 years. The former employer offered her a responsible, well-paid position. He even advanced her a temporary loan to tide her over until her first paycheck. As she said to me, 'I'll never forget the amazing power of thank you, Father. It has worked wonders for me.'" And this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, will work wonders for you. Hey, this book is as simple. The whole meaning of this book is change your thoughts, change your life. It's that easy. You just have to recondition your mind. Your subconscious mind is so powerful. Most people don't even know what it can do. You read this book, it'll give you all kinds of tips and techniques on how to condition your mind so that you can fill yourself with love, hope, peace, harmony, success, wealth. Whatever it is you want, you can have it. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.